Welcome back to my channel, friends. Yummy Bites by Sunita. Welcome to baking series part 8. Today I'm going to talk about whipping cream. There are two types of whipping cream available in the market. Dairy whipping cream and non-dairy whipping cream. What is a dairy whipping cream? As the name suggests, it is a cream extracted from dairy. It does not have sugar. Now friends, dairy cream can be roughly categorized: light cream, fresh cream, and half and half cream. What is a light cream? Light cream contains a fat content from 15 to 18%. Fresh cream contains a fat percentage from 60 to 25%. And half contains at least 12% of fat content. You might have to stabilize by adding some icing sugar. It does not have high fat content, so it does not whip well. It is not a stable whipped cream for frosting cakes or any cake products. But you can use it for making salads, for making mousse, ice creams, custards, for thickening your coffee or any savory products. Second, I'm going to talk about whipping cream, also known as light whipping cream, having 30 to 35% of fat content. Light whipping cream won't give stiff peaks. It's less sturdy whipped cream. It will also hold its shape, but it's more likely to lose and become liquid earlier than heavy cream. Now third, I'm going to talk about heavy cream, which is also known as heavy whipping cream. Now this product has a 36% fat content. Generally, some brands need to stabilize with icing sugar, as some don't. This is a stable cream. You can use it for frosting your cakes, cupcakes, ganache, making caramel sauce, filling, mousse, diplomat cream or chantilly cream. The fourth, I'm going to talk about double cream. This product has a fat content from 38% to 45%. It whips very faster than heavy whipping cream. The higher the fat content, the faster it gets whipped. Friends, there are many reasons why dairy whipping cream is expensive. Main reason is that we live in an extremely hot country. If you make fresh cream frosted cakes, it won't stay outside for more than 4 to 5 hours, depending upon the temperature. Also, it cannot be frosted, thawed and used because it will defrost fresh cream cakes as it will seize and become butter as it melts. Although this is a real cream cake. There are some advantages and disadvantages if you are going to use dairy whipping cream. Firstly is highly unstable, very sensitive to temperature, low sustainability, expensive, and the shelf life is maximum 3 days once you open this box. If you are living in a humid town, then whipping in an air-conditioned room is highly recommended. Keep it in a cold, chill temperature and environment. It will save your day. To solve the heat problem, here comes the product called non-dairy whipping cream. This product is also known as whipped topping. This cream is made from vegetable fat, soy-based, coconut, palm fat, sweeteners such as corn syrup and emulsifier. It also contains hydrogenated vegetable fats, added flavors and other stabilizers, which is the reason it can stay stable at high temperatures. It usually frozen, defrost and used. This means it has a longer shelf life. Advantages about non-dairy cream: highly stability, withstands moderate temperatures, very sustainable, cost effective and cheaper than dairy whipping cream, longer shelf life up to a year, vegan friendly and lactose free. I would recommend to read the ingredients in the box. It's manufactured and chemically processed. The batches are all in the same consistency. You can create customized cake as per your client's need using non-dairy cream. Disadvantages about non-dairy whipping cream: you cannot overmix. While beating or making it stiff, it will become dry. It's not a healthy option, but if you are residing in a tropical country and humidity is very high, then it's best to use non-dairy, as there are high chances it won't melt easily. But dairy cream melts. And this is the reason why most commercial establishments or professional bakers prefer using non-dairy cream across the globe. Next, I'm going to talk about powder whipping cream. Now this product is made up of hydrogenated oil, stabilizers and glucose syrup. It is not a dairy product. Baker's Villa, Foster Club, Bluebird are some of the brands that produce this powder whipping cream. This product comes in a powder form and needs to be mixed with water or milk to create whipped cream. Instructions are mentioned on the pack. However, I personally don't prefer using powder whipping cream. If you don't have an option or you are unable to find dairy and non-dairy product in your local market, you can definitely use powder whipping cream. You can use this once in a while since they whip well and gives a decent finish to a cake. I like to finish this video by saying dairy whipping cream with its different fat contains variations offer rich flavor but is sensitive to temperature and has shorter shelf life, especially in hot and humid climates. Non-dairy cream, on the other hand, made from vegetable fat, offers stability, substantiity and longer shelf life. Make it a preferred choice for many commercial establishments, especially in tropical regions. Whipping cream powder provides another option, although it may not offer the same quality as fresh as dairy or non-dairy whipping cream. So friends, I hope you liked today's video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, please do write in the comments below. I'll be very happy to solve your problems. Until then, see you by next time.